Hey, you guys asked for a tutorial on this pink eyeshadow look, and I am here to deliver. We are going to be using the iheartrevolution Chocolate Cherry palette. This tutorial is going to go by very fast. I am about quick and easy makeup. You're going to need a little bit of makeup tape and some eyebrow scissors. And I also wanted to try using regular tape today because I wasn't sure if everyone had makeup tape. So we're going to try this out on one eye. First, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. Don't really care for those. I do notice that they're a little bit crooked. Don't come for me. We're gonna go ahead and start by cutting a piece of the makeup tape. Look at me. This is me trying to show you how long the tape was. I was comparing it to my eyebrow. We are going to follow the lower lash line. So don't make it too flat. Don't make it too high. Now I'm going to peel off the tape and we're going to go ahead and just apply it on. I try to get it as close to the outer corner as possible. I don't want to leave too much space there because I don't want the shadow to blend down, bleed down. It's not going to look as sharp. So as close as you can to that outer corner. We're going to go ahead and do this on the other side with the regular tape. But first I'm going to cut the ends off because I don't want that wiggly wobbly edge. And then I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand and take it off a few times. This way it's not as sticky. I don't want it to be really aggressive on my skin, which is how the regular makeup tape is anyways. It's very easy to pull off. Same thing, following the lower lash line and getting it as close to that outer corner as possible. We can just go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the MAC Makeup Paint Pot as my primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. There's no real shape to follow here. I do pat it out at the end with my fingers. I think that it applies better. We're going to take this shade All Gone, and this is going to be like our transition shade. We're going to apply it along the edges and in our crease, and this is really just so we don't have a sharp line between the dark colors and the bold colors. I did find that it was a little bit more difficult applying things on the tape side. I just think I'm not used to it. Now we're going to grab the color Black Forest and apply it to our outer corner. I like to apply it in an angle that's not really curved. You can see here it started to curve up, but then I tried to flatten that out and make it a bit more rounded on the top. Here you can see I'm matching it to the other side. Clean it off with my fingers. Then we're going to take dark chocolate, and I'm just applying this by the liner area. This is just to give it a little bit more dimension. Not too much. We're not going crazy here. Then we're going to be taking this maraschino color, and this is what's going to give our eyes that pop of color, and we're going to apply it on the front half. Can you see that I'm actually going at it at an angle? I'm not splitting the colors right down the middle. I've actually layered them in. So the darker color comes in at a sharp angle, and then the bright pop of color goes on the top at a sharp angle. Do the same thing to the other side. The glitters in this palette actually don't have as popping of a color as the matte shadows do. So this is what's going to give our shimmer shades that nice bright color. Once we're done layering this, we're going to just go ahead and layer the shimmer, and then we are actually done. So our shimmer color is pop of color, pop of shimmer, same. And we're just going to layer this right on top of that maraschino color. Once we're done layering this, I'm going to just take my dark shadow brush one more time to just sort of blend together the shimmer edge and the dark matte shadows. And then we're done with the eyeshadows. Next, we're going to do eyeliner. Now, eyeliner for me was such a pain. I could not get them to match. They were very wobbly. I haven't put on eyeliner in forever. Anyways, I should have just stopped while it was nice and thin, but you know, you just keep going and going and going. But my rationale is, with a little bit of mascara, all will be good. Doing eyeliner on the tape side was a little bit difficult because I could see through it and I couldn't quite, my brain couldn't match up the sizes of our winged liner, but doesn't matter. A little bit of mascara doesn't hurt. Then we're gonna peel it off and oof, clean lines, clean lines, clean lines. We're gonna go ahead and look at how uneven my eyeliner is. We're gonna go ahead and tight line our lower lash line with a brown Rimmel liner, and then we're going to apply mascara. I just applied regular mascara on top. This is the 5D Lash Lift from Makeup Revolution, and then I applied a waterproof mascara on the bottom from Lancome. And this is it. This is the final look. It was fast. It was easy. I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on my face, and I'll be right back. What did you guys think? This is the final look. It took me maybe about 7 minutes in total, and that's because I was filming as well at the same time. Anyways, I know my eyeliner's a little crooked. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. If you have more time, you can make yours sharp. Okay, thanks guys. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and liking, maybe subscribing and commenting, that would really help me out. I really appreciate you guys commenting on my last video. That's what inspired me to make this video, and I will catch you guys next week. Okay, bye.